Honest Abe Roofing here in Terre Haute. We're on a local church in our community, and I want to show you an effect from non-maintaining of your gutters can cause serious deck damage and extended expense in the long run. You can see here where the gutter cap is not in place, and water is just simply coming off and creating a trough effect down the roof line. Now this side isn't as bad, but if you walk over here, you can see some really extensive damage and dipping in this roof line. This is where your gutters are overflowing and it's just dumping tons of water down this roof, and it's getting under here, improper flashing, and it's just decaying the decking at an accelerated rate. So what could have cost $15 is now going to cost a few hundred in repairs. So these are just more signs to look at on your roof. If you see dipping, even though the shingles are in great shape, if dipping is present, it shows you have deck rot, and you could be in for some more trouble. Never wait too long to get this checked out, and get ahead of the game. If you have any other questions or concern, you want your roof inspected, feel free to call us at Honest Abe Roofing, or go online to honestaberoofing.com. Schedule your appointment. Thank you.